Number 1. 1978 GMC Sierra C25, price $9,800. It's powered by a strong 7.4L 454 big block V8 paired with a 4-speed manual transmission and a 14-bolt full-floater rear end with 4.10 gearing, ideal for hauling or cruising. Finished in black with a refreshed gray interior, it features factory AC in good working condition, along with a new dash, door cards, steering wheel, carpet, and Bluetooth radio. The truck has been upgraded with 3 front drop spindles, 3 lowered rear leaf springs, and a recent front-end alignment. The front suspension has new ball joints, tie rods, bushings, disc brakes, and a master cylinder. It also has a new steering gearbox and pump. Riding on brand new tires and upgraded 17 rims, it's both sharp and reliable. Fluids, oil, transmission, and differential have all been recently changed. Number 2. 1988 GMC 3500, price $10,000, powered by a strong 454 V8 engine and equipped with an automatic transmission. It offers a smooth and enjoyable driving experience. The truck features a matching tan exterior and interior, both in original condition, with the paint still intact and rust-free, a rare find for a vehicle of this age. It rides on 6 brand new tires and sits on a straight frame, making it as practical as it is stylish. Inside, the GMC 3500 comes with power windows and a clean tan interior. The only cosmetic fixes needed are a driver's side interior door handle and a minor adjustment to the driver's side door for proper alignment. The truck runs and drives great and is genuinely fun to drive. It comes with a clean title and no history of rust. As of January 2025, the truck has received a comprehensive list of new parts and maintenance, including a new idle air control valve, coolant temperature sensor, cruise control switch, wiper motor, and a completely rebuilt throttle body. Additional upgrades include a new thermostat, brake lines, fuel tank and lines, EGR valve, a new battery, and a brand new windshield. Number 3. 1965 Ford F250, price $7,000. This pickup is a classic old truck that still runs, drives, and stops as it should, though not all of its electrical components are currently functioning. It's equipped with a 3-on-the-tree manual column shifter, adding to its vintage charm. The truck sits on new tires and appears to have undergone a restoration at some point in its life, although the paint is now showing signs of wear and chipping. Recently, a new bench seat was installed, along with a fresh carburetor, improving both comfort and performance. It comes with a clean title in hand, making it a solid candidate for anyone looking for a nostalgic project or a drivable piece of automotive history. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race. Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds. Number 4. 1984 Dodge D150, price $8,500, powered by the legendary and virtually indestructible Slant 6 engine. It is paired with a floor-mounted standard 3-speed manual transmission, offering a driving experience that's both durable and engaging. The truck is equipped with power steering and power brakes, making it easy to maneuver despite its vintage charm. Inside, everything is in proper working order, including the heater, AM/FM radio, windshield wipers, defrost system, wing windows, and even the original cigarette lighter. Cosmetically, the body is in exceptional condition for its age, with 99% rust-free panels and only relatively minor dents. The most notable imperfection is a dent on the tailgate, said to be the result of backing into a small tree while the tailgate was down. Number 5. 1995 GMC 1500, price $5,500, finished in its original silver paint with a gray interior. With 181,000 miles on the odometer, it remains in excellent running condition and is perfectly suited for daily driving. It's powered by a strong and reliable 350 Ci Vortec V8 engine, paired with an automatic transmission. The engine runs smoothly, with no leaks and no noticeable fluid consumption, a testament to the consistent maintenance it has received throughout its life. This truck is fully loaded and equipped with functional air conditioning. It features a professionally installed 4/6-drop suspension with coilovers, giving it a lowered stance that enhances both its appearance and ride quality. The exterior is rust-free, still wearing its factory original paint, which, despite showing some signs of age, continues to present well. A custom dual exhaust system exits cleanly out the back, adding a subtle performance tone. It also comes with a locking snug-top tonneau hardcover that offers both security and utility. The truck rides on brand new Moto metal polished chrome wheels, wrapped in new Toyo Prox low-profile tires. Number 6. 1987 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000. It features a manual transmission paired with a 4-speed gearbox that includes a granny low gear, allowing for smooth and confident shifting. The clutch is in good condition, ensuring reliable performance on the road. Under the hood, the truck is powered by a built 350 V8 engine. While the exact specifications are unknown, it's equipped with aluminum heads and a noticeably aggressive cam, giving it a strong presence both in sound and performance. It runs on gasoline and delivers a classic driving experience that enthusiasts will appreciate. The exterior is finished in red and is largely rust-free, with the exception of one small spot on the rocker panel. Inside, the truck features a clean black interior. Functionally, the defrost system is operational, along with the windshield wipers and turn signals. Number 7. 2000 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,900, well-maintained 4x4 pickup equipped with a powerful 5.3L V8 engine and an automatic transmission. With 166,000 miles on the odometer, the truck had a brand new engine professionally installed in 2021 by an official Chevrolet dealership, ensuring strong and reliable performance for years to come. Finished in a classic blue exterior with a gray interior, it comes with full power options, offering comfort and convenience for daily use or work needs. Running on gasoline, this truck is in really nice condition, both mechanically and cosmetically, making it a solid and dependable choice for anyone in the market for a capable full-size pickup. Number 8. 1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,500, blue-on-blue extended cab pickup with 198,000 miles on the odometer. Powered by a strong 5.7L V8 engine and paired with an automatic transmission and 4-wheel drive, this truck is ready for both work and daily use. It features an extended cab with rear seating, offering extra room for passengers or gear. The body is straight, and the interior is clean and in great condition for its age. It rides on brand new tires and comes equipped with a sturdy toolbox and step bars for added convenience. With a gasoline engine and a clean title in hand, this truck stands out as a reliable and practical choice for anyone in need of a capable pickup. Number 9. 1995 Ford F250, price $7,000. It features a black exterior, red interior, and is powered by the durable inline 6-cylinder 300 engine paired with an AOD automatic transmission. The truck has around 225,000 miles, and the previous owner stated the transmission was replaced at 200,000 miles. Though no paperwork is available, photos were provided as proof. Mechanically sound, everything works as it should. The only rust is on the rear fender well arches. The truck has received extensive recent maintenance, including new injectors, oil pump, gaskets, timing and crank gears, lifters, push rods, spark plugs and wires, distributor components, ignition coil, battery, alternator, brakes, fuel tank, sending unit, tires, all fluids and filters, intake gaskets, idle air control valve, and throttle position sensor. Number 10. 1988 Dodge D150, price $6,500. It features a V6 engine, automatic transmission, blue exterior and interior, power steering, and power brakes. It has manual windows and locks, and no air conditioning. Recent maintenance includes a new heater core, radiator, water pump, intake gasket, fuel pump and filter, cap and rotor, plugs, and wires. It was just inspected and has newer tires. The truck runs well but has a few flaws. The radio doesn't work, and there are minor oil and power steering fluid leaks. Cosmetically, the frame, rockers, cab corners, and bed sides are solid with only surface rust. The door edges have some blistering, but the bottoms remain solid.